This intro is after the fact. The fact that my wife and I took this truck for a run to keep it running good. And when we were on the highway, the ball joint on this side, upper ball joint, decided to give out on us. It was later found out that lube jobs that I'd been getting on this truck was not being properly done, and there were several joints that were not getting lubricated, and thus the damage was done. When the ball joint went out, it almost caused an accident that could have killed my wife and I. We got this truck back home and started getting some work done on it by my daughter. She was anxious to see that it was repaired. It would have been easier, of course, to take it to a shop and have them do it there if we would have had a lot of money to pay for it. But instead, my daughter, the one who repaired the registers on my doors, came over and got to work, and her and a friend and such worked on this truck until the ball joints were repaired and the brakes had to be redone. All of that work was completed because of them. I am blessed to have good children who love me, and my wife.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
That's the part that just came off, huh? Okay. Well, that the top of that,
It's sheared.
yeah, it sheared it right off.
Yeah. And I don't even know if you'd even be able to get that out
Oh, I could
without drilling it.
probably be able to knock it out eventually. If I got a big enough sledgehammer.
That's about what it would take.
Yeah. These things here, these are called shims, and the reason for those is to align the position of the A-frame back and forth, and in order to keep it in line with the A-frame below. After all, it has to be in alignment, or else you put extra stress on your bearings. Anyway, we now have the ball joint in its place. It took a lot of grunting and groaning, but we managed to get that put in its place. Now we need to put on the upper A-frame with this ball joint and then connect the brake line. as you can see, I got the upper A-frame off, or control arm as some call it, and that was some doing.
That means I gotta jack it way up high.
Yeah, you hit that socket on the bottom. Unless you use a shorter length socket.
Yeah, but the shorter length socket doesn't fit the teeter bar.
Don't. That's ignorant.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, because the shorter sockets, see?
Please note that we've now got the upper A-frame reinstalled, the upper ball joint, the lower ball joint's been installed, and everything put back together like it's supposed to be. Even got the brake line reconnected. Now we have the brakes to work on. that done then?
Yeah, and this shaft is significantly shorter than that one.
Yeah, that's
The shaft here part.
well, that's the correct part. In other words, the other one isn't.
Yeah, so the other one's probably for like a four-wheel drive.
Probably.
All the repair work has now been done. The last thing I did with this truck is I did take it over to a shop, and they had them bleed the brake lines and mainly do a wheel alignment so that the truck can steer straight. And just to check things out and make sure everything's in good working condition. As it turns out, my daughter and her friends did a really good job at doing the repair work on this truck. Now the only thing left for me to do is take it for a good test drive and verify that it's ready to go.